Boy, good morning, good morning. Evening, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. It's about 1:30 here p.m. on Tuesday, February 18th, 2025. Yeah, having one of them interesting mornings. Snow! More of the evil snur everywhere. I'm tired of it. It is what it is. I'm just really not liking having to deal with snow. Might be why I want to go to the Philippines. A nice, quiet place where you don't have fluffy white stuff falling all over you when you go to leave the job. Because, hey, that's what we want, isn't it? Anyway, yeah. Hey, this thing's fighting me. Of course not. Yeah. Some days, I'm just trying to find a picture on here. And it is fighting me. I do not know why, but it is. But I did manage to actually. Yeah. William, Philippines. I don't know if you can see it. And I just got home not 30 minutes ago, and my car's already got that on it. It's trying to, oh yeah, snore again. Yeah. Happy camper mode. I'm freezing to death. I'm going back inside now. Anyway, lessons. I don't know. I was trying to show you some snow, but I don't think it really worked out that well. But I tried. I'm still trying to figure out how to get that thing to. I was going to put that on the piece of one right after it that I did in here on it. I was going to try to put them together. I didn't figure it out. Ran out of patience. Uh, and quite honestly, after having to deal with the computer last night at work, I wasn't up to trying to find any extra patience. Because, hey, we all know what patients are, don't we? Yeah, people you sent to the hospital. Yeah, patients. Yeah, I was quite honestly considering making my boss's uh, desktop computer at work into a patient. It only had to be rebooted about 6 times. And I don't know what was causing it to keep kicking off, but it was. Because it was so much fun having to deal with, oh yeah, computer. Anyway, yeah. Trying to get some things figured out there when it comes to that computer. Of course, Tuesday is when they usually do updates on the computers, so I'm really thinking that's what it was because nobody ever calls and tells me whether it, yeah, we're going to update your computer. Be prepared, get everything done early. They don't tell me that. It just goes to my boss's email and disappears in there, and I don't get my boss's emails. It would be nice if they sent me an email, the person who has to deal with it on a regular basis. Yeah, because Monday night, Tuesday morning is when most of them do those updates. Just like Windows does it on, like the first Tuesday in the morning, right after midnight. It starts up all that stuff, and you get all those updates and such you got to get. Mm-hmm. I'm so loving that computer. That's why I'm trying to figure out the Mac OS here, Sequoia. Uh, I would rather deal with this learning new stuff than trying to figure out the nightmares of Windows anymore. Yeah. And when it comes down to, all that, I do get to make the choice on, boy, things are making noise again. I do get to make the choices as to what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, when I'm doing it. And I'm still trying to figure out how to get this thing to stop. Yeah, stop adding everything onto my iCloud and to stop adding it to this computer on that computer and on this Mac and that and it. Because apparently, some way or another, getting these things tied in together means they all dump their data on here, and my hard drive's getting filled up faster than I want to think about. And I'm not sure where it's putting it, so I can't go get rid of it. I'm trying to find it. I know it's in there somewhere. Is calling tech support to figure out where your stuff's getting stored wrong? I don't know. Well, considering I've only been operating Mac for basically what 2 months. Let's see. I got it on. I opened it up on December 25th, Christmas. So I've had about 2 months worth of practice with this. Got this. Yeah, I got this thing, the little iPad. I got that the end of January. So yeah, ain't even had it that long. Got this about the same time. Wait, but it is what it is. Trying to get that thing charged up before I put it on and go to bed so that I can have it read my sleep patterns. Uh, and I'm trying to get the things set up on it. I think I might have bit off a wee bit of more than what I really should have at one time. And on top of that, I'm trying to figure out all this other stuff. And I've got one of my boxes about half, 3/4 full. And I'm starting to try to put some other stuff in another box. It ain't got about a quarter in it. But I really think I'm going to end up repacking it because my Tetris is off. Yeah. Anyway, uh, I hope you have a good week and that it's an easy one for you. I'm going to go try to get this posted up and out, uploaded, posted, whatever you want to call it. Or get to filming the can. That's what I was used to when I was a kid. I saw something that was a instant print, kind of like the old Polaroids. And it's from the same company, but they got a little bitty printer that does small prints, and yeah, kind of like Polaroid. I don't know. So you get the printer and like 40 sheets of paper for, I forget what the price was. I'll have to look again. But anyway, Williams, Philippines. Food, friends, family, and more food. Peaceful week for you.